Hey friends, this is Dr. Medha Deshpande, nutritionist, wellness consultant, and your friend welcomes you to this episode of my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss interesting things about aloe drinks. Summer is approaching. I am going to show you how to prepare delicious, nutritious summer cool drinks with world's best aloe vera, which is helpful for detoxification, for nourishment, for skin, and for hair. Let's start. I'm going to first sanitize my hands. This is world's best hand sanitizer with beautiful vanilla flavor, clean hands. So just cleaning my hands. So you all be ready to watch. Okay, let's start. This is world's best aloe vera. I have added pomegranate petals. Pomegranate flower petals are very nutritious and delicious, and honeybees are responsible for the pollination of these fruits. If honeybees are not there, we will not be able to get pomegranates. So I have just plucked pomegranate flowers and added some petals, then aloe berry nectar, aloe peaches, and this is a mixed fruit punch. And just stir it. You can add some ice cubes in it, and the delicious and yummy drink is ready for you, friends. You can munch some grapes, and it's very nutritious. This is antioxidant also. Now let's see the different flavor all together. Okay, this is aloe peaches. This has peach puree and aloe vera in it. So you can add all these juices, all these drinks are without water, in concentrated form. As nature intended, we are having it. And I'm going to add miracle molecule. This RG plus is supposed to be miracle molecule. It is a great antioxidant, and it is helpful for dilating your arteries. So it is helpful for people with cardiac problems. And this has all blueberry, blackberry, all sorts of berries in it. So I'm going to add 2.5 grams of RG, and I will be adding some sweet lime juice, which is already prepared along with aloe vera. So if you are traveling, you can have sweet lime and aloe vera combination like this in a bottle, and enjoy the benefits and feel refreshed throughout the day. So now this is aloe peaches and RG plus. You can add some rose petals in it. Rose petals are supposed to be very nutritious. They are good for beating the heat. They are very good for constipation. And see, now this is the third drink. Add some forever bee honey. Honey takes time to dissolve because this is the purest form, world's best honey. This has polyphenols in it. Then we are going to add some aloe berry nectar. This is cranberry, apple, and aloe vera. And you can add forever juiced. This is a combination of coconut and pineapple, forever juiced. And then add some aloe vera in it, and enjoy the benefits of aloe vera, pineapple, cranberry, apple, coconut, and the delicious drink is ready for you. In this drink you can add some hibiscus or shoe flower petals. These are supposed to be very nutritious and delicious. It is very good for hair growth. It is very good for eyesight. So we have prepared 3 drinks. I have already pre-prepared one drink. This is a lassi. I have added 1 scoop of ultra light vanilla and buttermilk, and this is a delicious drink. If you wish to add some flavor, you can add blueberry. Blueberry has vitamin B in it and it is a great antioxidant. So add, this is forever juiced, add a few drops of blueberry and this will be more nutritious and delicious. Yummy. Now let's see another drink. I have prepared rose syrup by boiling rose petals in water and some wood apple extract, which we have seen in the last episode. So we are going to take 2 tablespoons of rose syrup prepared with fresh rose petals along with wood apple extract added in it, and I am going to add aloe peaches. And some RG Plus 2.5 grams and some aloe berry nectar. This is apple, cranberry and aloe vera. Just stir it. You can add some ice cubes in it and enjoy the benefits and the power of aloe along with all these things, because we have added some rose syrup. So we can add and garnish it with rose petals. You can chew these rose petals and it will be excellent. Try it out. Now we are going to see aloe blossom tea. Forever Living Products has aloe blossom tea. I had brought it when I traveled abroad for Global Rally, and these type of pouches are there. And what you can do, add some aloe vera, pure aloe vera. Then you can add some lime and aloe vera. This way you can prepare your juice bar. And you can add some chia seeds. I had soaked chia seeds in water, so those chia seeds have swollen. Chia seeds are very good. It has omega-3 in it. They are good for constipation, they are good for weight loss, it is good for detoxification. And then add some aloe berry nectar also in it to enhance the taste and to increase the value added nutrition in it. And stir it. So this is another refreshing drink ready for you. In this you can add orange color petals of shoe flower or hibiscus, and you will really enjoy the taste of it. And it is very good for eyesight and hair and skin, because orange, red, dark colored fruits, vegetables, flowers are very rich in beta carotene and pigments, which are very essential for your blood circulation, for your heart health, for your brain health. And if the flowers are pure, the flowers have excellent aroma also. So you can enjoy that natural aroma and the nutrition. That is the beauty. So this is another drink in front of you. Now we are going to prepare iced tea. Iced tea by using aloe blossom tea. I have already prepared iced tea. This type of sachets are available, and you need to break open the sachet And just like any other tea, it has beautiful cinnamon flower. This tea is prepared with aloe blossoms, and I have already prepared iced tea. I have kept it in the refrigerator, so we'll be adding little bit of it. Then you can add chilled water, and this is very good for inch loss, weight loss. This is good for all these drinks are very good for mood swings because they're very refreshing and they give you happiness, and your serotonins and endorphins, which are called happy hormones, they will secrete more if you continuously keep on taking this type of aloe drinks in different combinations. So today we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and vanilla flavored lassi. So this is, I always welcome all of you to visit my aloe juice bar.